here. Today, this is part 2 of driving RC cars. Guys, so first we're gonna be hitting it from the ramp. So just turn the red one turned off, and then I got stuck on that one. Okay, so we got everything fixed. So let's go.
There he goes.
I
think the controller's behind.
Oh. Okay, then go grab some batteries out of other controls. Okay, so I just hit the ramp and it goes like, ow. Okay, let's go. My brother's gonna go get new batteries for his controller because the stove died. So he'll be back in a second. Okay, it just flipped again. Let's go flip it over for like the 5th time. This one isn't faster than that one. It's not even. Don't want that one back. Just if you only need it that one. It's hot out here, so we're gonna go to the shade. Make sure to like, comment if you want me to drive that one. Alright, so we're gonna try to make it onto the trampoline, so we're gonna get it started by setting it up to try to make it on something. Let's see if this works.
I want to record yet. That's it.
No! I made it. And let's do it again. Do some drifting. Okay, that's the end of part 2. Make sure to like, subscribe, and comment if you want more RC videos. See ya.